How to add music to video in Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can add a music to your video simply using Canva. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do, go to canva.com, sign in for an account. The next thing is to choose the right template that you are going to create your video in. For example, you can go ahead and type YouTube videos like that, or any type of a platform or social media platform. Here, it will show up the mobile versions of the videos. You can go ahead and put here, select one of these templates, or also you can go ahead and make some custom fields or custom sizes. Click on it and simply are going to create one. In my case, I will go with this. In my case, I will go with this frame or this particular design. Let's go ahead here and add a video. But before that, I'm going to customize this to get a background color. Let's go ahead and put any background color that you want. We have also some of the gradients. I'm going to put here a gradient color, maybe like that. And we are simply going to add a frame to our video. To add the frame of the video, you can go ahead and click on Elements, select an element, simply get a frame. And within this frame, you have a lot of choices. You can even go with any type of frame that you want, for example, like that. And I'm going to make it like this. Make that frame right here and put it like that. Make it a little bit wider, for example. You can put it like that. And I'm going to let this right here. It will be zoomed in a little bit, but it is okay. Let's add a real frame for that particular video. I'm going to type again frame. Let's type frame and we will see here some of the graphics. You can go ahead and add a specific frame for that specific one. Simply go ahead right there and we are going to put the frame as it was. Now let's go ahead and delete that. We're going to simply to put something right there, make it a little bit wider, and you will see the result soon. Here, in our case, it didn't go well, but it is okay. We don't need it anymore. You can go ahead and add whatever you want from these frames, like that. And here we have it. This is a frame. You can go ahead and play it with the size and also the adjustments. Here we have a full frame. Can go ahead and let it like that, and here we go. Change the color of the frame to the white maybe, or you can go ahead to change it to the orange. Now let's go ahead and add a video. Click on upload if you have already a video. If you don't have, download a video from the net, or also you can go ahead and make a video with the elements within Canva. I'm simply going to put here party for an example. And as you can see, we have some videos. And these videos are copyright free. You can go ahead and select any video that you want, put it into that frame, and everything will be set. Here, you have the video set and the frame is loaded. You can adjust it, for example, like that, or make it whatever or however you want. If you don't want to add a stock frame or a stock video, go ahead right here, click on upload, click on video, and upload your file. In my case, I have uploaded so many videos, so we are simply going to choose one. Here we have a vertical video. You can go ahead and put this vertical video like that, and simply can add some more videos like this one, and duplicate this for the third video. I have made that frame to make sure that everything is centered and going well. So in the upload or the downloading version of that video, everything will be set to the center maybe. Put it right here, and like that, I'm going simply to delete that frame that I have added. Go there, delete it, and also delete that. And we have the full video. When you finish this, you are going to add the audio. Go to the uploads, and here we have the audio section. You can add whatever you want from the audios. Simply go ahead and drag and drop it like this, and it will be added right there. When you click on it, you will see here the audio. You can extend it as much and as long as you want. And for here, you can go ahead and put the duration of that video. As you can see, you can put the duration of the video like that, or you can add some more videos. I'm going to copy all of this right there, select all, copy it, go to the next page and paste it. Here we have a plus page. So we have here everything created. You can go ahead and duplicate that audio. Here, click on duplicate track, and it will extend for the next video. This is for the case of the repetitive music. Let's say that we are going to add some voiceover, but upper or make it clearer within this video. You can add or track any of these audios, grab it, and simply drop it under this first audio. And you will see we have here two layers of audios. If you want to modify the volume of them, simply select the audio needed, and here we have the volume icon. Click on it and go ahead and decrease or increase the volume button. Here we have the appliance of that parameter or of that increase or decrease to all the tracks. When you click on this, you will see here also that this next track is set right here to 46. This is just a background music. So the background music should be a little bit lower. So we are going to put it here 10. And also you can go ahead and listen to it and see if everything is going well. That was for the audio. You can go ahead and add some effects to the audio simply by clicking on it, selecting it, click on audio effects. Here we have some fade ins and fade outs. You can go ahead and manipulate these, and you are going to set some audio effects. You can go ahead and also make a beat sync by clicking on the audio or selected audio and beat sync. Here we have the sync. The pages and elements will be automatically timed to the music. This is a smart feature from Canva. It is very useful and very simple. You can also display the beat markers. Right here, it will let you see here the beat markers from this particular page, and you will see here that we have something in common. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys that you have enjoyed the content, and hope to see you soon on the next one.